Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up GitHub and how to upload file to GitHub and deal with those GitHub stuff, right? So Google search GitHub login and go to sign in page. So you come to something like this and create account, right? And now you can go to here and new repository, new repo. Let's go here and now you can create something new. So my new rep, okay. It can be public or private. You can add README file. So if you add README files, so you can like keep what are the updates and things like that. So for now, I'm not going to create a README file, and let's create a repo. All right. Now you are here. It is a public repo code issue, and you have your repo link, right? Now we need to do several things, right? Um, let's see. We need to run these codes. Go to your folder. Before you do this, you need to do one more thing. So you need to install this Linux to the or your Linux Linux system, right? So this is for Ubuntu and this is for CentOS. So this will be the code, and you need to install that, right? Okay, so go to the new folder here, mkdir. This is called temp2, right? cd temp2. Let's go here and uh, now just run these codes and don't expect anything. Readme file added, just initializing empty git repository here, and it's this one, git add minus commit, this one file change in insertion, readme file added. So let's refresh this and see. Nothing happened. That's good. And this one, what is this? Okay. Git remote added org. So everything added. It's like setuping this part. This code is just to set up the part. And type this one. And you need to type the username and password. And password. How to set up this password? Go to GitHub and go to setup settings, right? And go to developer settings and personal access token, right? From here, there you can create a new token if you're new. Create token, right? And you can tick all of these, or like it's like give some permission to some other people like that, and you can save it. So save somewhere that git token. So here you should enter the GitHub token. I'm going to copy paste the GitHub token and enter. Now some files added, right? Go here and refresh. Okay, now we have the README file. what we did, we just run the commands install. Just run this these 5 commands, right? Don't worry about this. This is ls is a basic Linux command, so you can create git add readme.md and git commit -n. This is comment, whatever, right? And git branch -n name. So it is a main branch to the main. So, and here simply this link, right? The same link. And ls again, and git push -o origin main. So when we do this one, it will push the file to GitHub. Upload. Install this first, and then we just run this whatever your codes, your git, okay, and then when you update, what we need to do. All right, so let's add new file to this git. I'm going to add some file, temp.txt, right? Gre code.sh. This is one of my script. Then bin.sh equal it's me, right? Let's save it. Now we have 3 files. One is empty. Okay. Now we need to upload those files to our GitHub. So what we need to do, let's check the git status on branch main, untrace track file. So these are the 2 new files we didn't add. So add them. It's like a temporary give the names to do whatever the next, and then git commit -m uploading 2 files. 2 files, right? Press enter. Okay, 2 files are committed. Now it will track these 2 files. Still anything has not uploaded here, so we need to run push command to upload there, right? Git push origin master, git push origin master, and enter. let's run this code. Git remote add origin. So this codes here. Yes, wait, remote origin already exists. Okay, that's okay. Git push origin master. Error. Master does not match any. What? Okay, add everything. And git minus m commit to or my uploaded to files. Git push origin master. Where to push some refs? Why? I don't know. Search where to push some errors. Some other things. So sometime you need to enter the password again and again. So we don't want to do it again and again, you know. Let's make another file temp.sh blah 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 and enter, and we need to push but plus head. Let's see, we need to enter password again and again. So to avoid doing that, we need another 2-3 codes. This one task.temp.sh, we have a file, and if we type head it should update. Oh no, so if you do something we need to type this one, right? So you can see nothing is changed here. So temp2 is not here. Okay, temp2 is not here. Why? We need to add this git star and the comment maybe if you want. Git commit minus n. I added new file. Enter, and now this one, right? And push this one. This is not working, and this one. What are these errors we need to fix? Git push set up the spring origin master. Fail. Check the status. There are so many codes that can get that thing. Git push. Git remove at origin. This. Okay, nice to do. Git push minus origin. Ooh. Now if you go here and search, you can see anything file or whatever, right? So now it's how it works. Installing and setuping that password thing, and then finally, yeah, some useful links I will add there. That's all for GitHub. Yeah, if you see some error, just Google search. Use Grepper tool. Grepper is a good one to find some useful codes quickly. Thank you guys.